If you manage a business, hotel, or large office space, you know that clean carpets aren't just about appearances. They're about creating a healthier, more professional environment. That's where the Clarke CarpetMaster 215 dual-motor upright commercial vacuum cleaner steps in. Built for commercial-grade performance, this powerhouse combines HEPA filtration, dual-motor suction, and a 15-inch cleaning path to tackle high-traffic areas with ease. Unlike standard vacuums, the CarpetMaster 215 is designed to handle long hours of use without compromising power or durability. With a noise level of just 69 decibels, it works quietly in busy environments, while its 4-liter capacity and included tools, dusting brush, crevice tool, and vacuum bag, make cleaning more efficient than ever. Whether you're looking for deep-cleaned carpets, better indoor air quality, or a reliable vacuum built to last, the Clarke CarpetMaster 215 is a professional solution you can count on. A trusted brand in commercial cleaning, Clarke, a respected name in the cleaning equipment industry, has long been known for producing high-performance and reliable machines. The CarpetMaster 215 continues that tradition, backed by its manufacturer, Nilfisk Advance, a global leader in professional cleaning equipment. Whether you're cleaning a small office or a large commercial facility, the CarpetMaster 215 offers the durability and performance needed to tackle tough carpet cleaning tasks day in and day out. Dual motor system for enhanced power. What sets the Clarke CarpetMaster 215 apart from standard vacuum cleaners is its dual motor system. One motor powers the brush roller to agitate carpet fibers and loosen debris, while the second motor maintains consistent suction to efficiently extract dirt, dust, and allergens from deep within the carpet pile. This dual motor design ensures maximum cleaning effectiveness even on heavily soiled carpets. Superior filtration with HEPA technology. Indoor air quality is a growing concern in commercial environments, particularly in settings like healthcare facilities or schools. The Clarke CarpetMaster 215 addresses this with its HEPA filtration system, which captures 99.7% of dust, pollen, and other airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. This level of filtration ensures that allergens and contaminants are trapped within the vacuum bag and not released back into the air during operation. Ergonomic and user-friendly design. Weighing in at 21.3 pounds, the CarpetMaster 215 strikes a balance between robust construction and ease of use. The vacuum's 15-inch cleaning path covers more surface area with each pass, reducing cleaning time and boosting efficiency. The upright design is comfortable for extended use, and its 4-wheel construction ensures smooth movement across carpets. Additionally, the unit comes with an assortment of useful accessories, including a dusting brush, crevice tool, and vacuum bag, which are conveniently stored on board for quick access. This vacuum is designed with the operator in mind. Every control and function is intuitive, and the smooth finish body is easy to clean and maintain. The noise level is rated at a modest 69 decibels, making it suitable for noise-sensitive environments like libraries, hospitals, or office spaces. Built to last. Constructed with durable commercial-grade materials, the CarpetMaster 215 is built to endure the rigors of frequent, heavy-duty use. Its robust housing and high-quality components minimize maintenance issues and ensure longevity. Despite its commercial power and features, the unit is not cordless, relying instead on a corded electric power source, 120 volts. While this may limit mobility to some extent, it ensures uninterrupted operation without worrying about battery life, an important consideration for large-scale cleaning jobs. Dimensions and build quality. The CarpetMaster 215 measures 13 by 15 by 44 inches, making it compact enough for storage in cleaning closets or janitorial carts, while still offering a commanding cleaning presence. With its modern blue design and streamlined shape, it fits well into professional environments without looking overly industrial. Industry recognition and user feedback. Although not a household name like some consumer-grade vacuums, the Clarke CarpetMaster 215 has carved out a solid niche in the industrial and commercial vacuum market. On Amazon, it holds a 4.4 out of 5-star rating based on user feedback. This score reflects a strong level of customer satisfaction, with particular praise for the vacuum's suction power, build quality, and filtration system. Specifications: brand, Clarke by Nilfisk Advance. Model, CarpetMaster 215. Cleaning path, 15 inches. Weight, 21.3 pounds. Corded electric, 120 volts. Capacity, 4 liters. Noise level, 69 decibels. Dimensions, 13 by 15 by 44 inches. Number of power levels, 3. Wheels, 4 for stability and maneuverability. Color, blue. Country of origin, China. Pros: strong dual motor system for powerful carpet cleaning. HEPA filter improves air quality. Quiet operation, 69 decibels for professional environments. Wide 15-inch cleaning path covers more area in less time. Comes with onboard tools for detailed cleaning. Large dust bag capacity for fewer changes. Durable commercial-grade construction. Cons: carpet-only design, not ideal for hardwood or tile floors. Heavier than typical household vacuums, 21.3 pounds. No cordless option, corded only. Best for hotels and hospitality, office buildings, commercial cleaning companies, schools and institutions, carpet-heavy households. Final thoughts: the Clarke CarpetMaster 215 dual-motor upright commercial vacuum cleaner is a smart investment for businesses and institutions that demand reliable, high-performance cleaning equipment. With its dual-motor power, HEPA filtration, and commercial-grade construction, this vacuum is well-equipped to meet the challenges of maintaining cleanliness in busy environments.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.